Look at this one, this image. This one shows the whole truth so clear, my goodness. What I was saying about the crystalline deal, the structures, the whole entire solar system is all crystalline structures. Look at that. But look, right here, the crystalline structure emanates from the moon. I mean, in space, no? The moon is everywhere. But it's so clear and visible right here. Let me make it smaller so you can appreciate the magnitude. Look at that. Check it out. Wow. Look at that. Look at a huge ass hand. Just the camera's having a hard time locking on it. That is a hand like this. Look. That's a hand like this. Like this. They delete most of it, but they left that and few blemishes. Look, there. It's a hand like this. But it can there, it's like, it's, the space is exactly like the moon is your worst nightmare video. That's how the entire space is in this solar system. And more likely in the universe, or the universe that is being presented to us. That's the question that I have. Is it the same reality is here, local, or is it everywhere? So far, the hand thing is on everything I've seen. Now that part, well, you have to dig deeper. Now, what I see in that, this structure is like I say, I saw a picture of Soho where in one frame you can see behind the sun it was white and colorful things. So I got the sense that we are in a dark structure, but outside the solar system or this, whatever we're being shown, this reality, the real reality is opposite, it's bright and white. And that is something that I am thinking about a lot lately. Look at that. See, it's an enormous, it's hands everywhere. Look, the crystalline structure is all over there. Look at that. They did not delete this thing right. You can see all along the entire, look at that. And then you have some bright parts that were not deleted. Look, and on top. Look, there's another piece right there. See that? How far up that goes? Oh my God, it's all the way up. All the, well, look at that. About that. Look at that. Right there. See, these investigators are, it's sad, man. It is sad. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is everywhere. Shoot. Look, there's a bright deal up there. Look at that. See, now look at this deal right here. That black, that tube right there. Those are the same, the exact same thing that our Peter never found. Look, I said this one is colorful. Look at the translucent structure going up from the surface. Look, the parting from the surface into. It's just when they hit the dark part, they're not visible anymore as they are down here. Wow. Like I say, look at this translucent deal right here. Look how freaking visible it is right there. Look at that. And the next one, and the next one. Look how crystalline this is. See, and that goes into the space, what we call it space. Look at that. You have to have a sight somehow to learn that this structure, the crystalline deal, wow, man. Maybe using the three-dimensional thing. Look at that. The crystalline deal is bright right here, like it's in space up there. Look, it's bright right there. Look, the bright point. Look, right there. Like we see it in the dark parts. Look, right there. Look, right there. This thing, look, you can see it, man, clearly. Look, you can see it right there. You can see the hands. You can see the geometry going. This is no longer on the surface, on this plane. It's no longer on that. This is up, hanging up. I can see it, man. Kick ass. Look, right here you can see that tube that is crooked like that, but it's because that's a hand that it goes like that. That's difficult to show to somebody this translucent structures. You can see it right here at the base. Look, this the translucent deal going up into air, into this. Just this no longer in the surface. So you can see many of them suspended. Wow, this picture is revealing. Look, you can see right here, look, an enormous finger right here. It's sticking from the ground up. Look, you can see the fingernail right there. And you can see another finger right here. And that too is this piece right here. It's a fingernail, look, sticking into from the ground into space. These two fingers are not on the ground flat. This is sticking up in a crystalline form. Man, I can see it clearly here. Wow. Look at this. Look at the white tooth right there. That's not a white tooth, it's the edge of a finger. Wow, man, I can't believe it. I finally spotted the deal. Look, right there. Look at the crystalline deal right there. You can see this right here. He has a hand at the base. And it goes all the way to the ground. Look, right there. Up to right here. This is the ground where that comes from. But it's really an enormous hand like that. A finger, I mean, and you can see the fingernail like that. It's sticking from that point on the ground, right there, right here. I mean, right here. This is sticking up like that. I can see perfectly the fingernail like that, the finger. And look, there's another, I mean, it's a hand right there. It's in translucent form. Look, right here. Check it out. I can see the fingernail right there. Look at that. About that. Wow, that is difficult to show. Only a guy expert in Photoshop or image recovery can do that. I mean, you can see colorful deal, man. Look at that. Look, yellow. I mean, it's translucent, all translucent, man. Look at that. I mean, I can see the whole thing perfectly like that. Look, an enormous finger. Then there is another one this way, going like that. And another one this way, going this way like that. Wow. And this is the most visible of them all. Oh, there's some more in here. Look at this. Check it out. Can make it too large, you won't be able to distinguish the ground from the crystalline ones that are sticking up like that. Look, there they are. Look at that. I mean, this image shows exactly how the crystalline deal emanates from the ground into space. Look at that, there is a line right here, you can see it. It's a finger. Look at that right there. So this deal goes all the way to right here. one goes from